In this video, you'll learn how to create a landing page on Webflow in just a few minutes, so you can convert visitors into customers with a beautiful, high-performing design. First, go to webflow.com and sign into your account. Click New Site on your dashboard. Then choose a landing page template from Webflow's gallery or start from a blank canvas for full creative freedom. Next, design your hero section. Add a powerful headline, a short subheading, and a clear call to action button. Include a striking image or video on the side to grab attention the moment visitors land on your page. Now, build your main sections. Add a features area to highlight your offer, a benefits section with icons or visuals, social proof with testimonials or client logos, and a pricing section if you're selling a product or service. After that, create a strong call to action section near the bottom. Add a form to collect leads or a button that links to your checkout. Make it bold, clear, and impossible to miss for maximum conversions. Once your design is ready, make your landing page fully responsive using Webflow's built-in breakpoints for tablet and mobile. Then optimize your SEO settings, add your meta title, description, and open graph image. And that's it. Your landing page is now live on Webflow, beautifully designed and ready to start turning visitors into loyal customers.